From our South Carolina Capitol Newsroom, a proposed bill could give low-income students free school breakfast and lunch. Caroline Yaffa explains.
Currently in South Carolina, students living in poverty can access free or reduced meals at school. A bill would make the provision a permanent state law.
It's really a question of it's in proviso. We can keep it right there and let it ride. But quite honestly, I think that I just don't like that practice. I think that's not a good way to legislate. And I think we've already got a system that's working really well.
The bipartisan bill says students who qualify for the National School Lunch Program can get free meals. Some of the criteria to qualify as a student in poverty is having Medicaid benefits, experiencing homelessness, or being in foster care. Senator Hembry says many parents didn't even know their child qualified.
You had all these children that, for whatever reason, they qualified, but their parents didn't apply for free lunch. They just didn't get on the list for whatever reason. And it literally doubled the number of districts and schools that were eligible.
School districts can participate in the community eligibility provision known as CEP. If more than 40% of students qualify in a school district, then the entire district could receive free school lunch.
The school lunch provision has been in the state budget for the last 2 years. Now they've seen that it can work, that it has not caused disruptions to district operations or caused an unfunded mandate on districts.
Last week, an amendment was made saying if the CEP is discontinued by federal action, then this requirement to participate in the program is suspended.
If the federal program went away, the state doesn't have the funding to backstop what the federal government is currently spending money on.
Kelly says this is a common sense amendment and will hopefully not impact the program, but it would make sense that lawmakers would be cautious. In Columbia, I'm Caroline Yaffa.